Hi, I'm Adam Goldstein, President and CEO, Royal Caribbean International. I'm fortunate to belong to a wonderful group of individuals, concerned citizens, known as the Energy Security Leadership Council, comprised of business CEOs and retired senior military officers. We believe that a comprehensive program is needed to reduce our nation's dependence on foreign-owned petroleum. It's critical to the long-term health and prosperity of the country that we reduce what is today's requirement, that we use 20 million barrels of oil every day, of which 14 million barrels are used to propel our transportation system forward. One of our cornerstone goals is the electrification of road transport over the upcoming years, so that instead of millions of Americans pulling up to a gasoline pump every day to fuel their cars, people will come to an outlet and plug in their vehicles and take power from the electricity grid. The electricity grid can then be powered by a diversity of energy sources, which public policy over time can drive to more environmentally friendly solutions. This way, we will be less dependent on foreign countries who control 90% of the world's proven reserves of oil, often whose interests do not coincide with those of our country. This is the way that we will build a prosperity for the future where we have less dependency, more to look forward to.